Good morning.
Hi there. We're on our way to get our mail, address change, domicile stuff all taken care of. Building's right here in front of us.
See what kind of information they can give us.
Yeah, and look, it's on Rainbow Drive. Rainbow Drive. Woo.
Wow.
So here's the headquarters, Escapees RV Club headquarters. And just as we arrive, the U.S. mail truck is coming to drop off mail.
Wow. They must get a lot of mail here.
That's part of it, isn't it?
Wow.
All right, inside we go. Hi, good morning. We have an appointment to set up a mail forwarding service.
I
And
will let the lady know if y'all just have a seat, okay?
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome.
My name is Shirley.
Hi, Shirley.
Shut the door behind you.
Yep, I got it.
Okay, I'm gonna put the address that you have here on your,
We have a big packet of stuff.
And we have things to fill out for licenses and
My
vehicle
head's
registration.
spinning.
Oh my gosh. Vehicle inspection things and all kinds of stuff. But we did it. We're officially escapers members now.
Escapees and escapers.
We've got a new mailing address. Which is
We have a map.
We have a map of things, where to go for things, and we've got things to do. So we're going to go back to the van. We're going to make some phone calls to auto insurance, health insurance, things like that. Get those things set up, and then we can start the process of getting the van registered, our licenses transferred over, and all of that. So we got work to do, guys. Here we go. We just left the State Farm office. Got our insurance all taken care of for the car. Wow, that was a process. We are now headed to the inspection place to get our vehicle inspected so that we can go and finish that process. So light turned green here. I gotta pay attention and go.
We do.
I'm gonna go now. Yeah, we don't want to get into like an accident right out of leaving
Might be considered distracted driving.
It might be. Inspection successful. Now we're going into the tax assessor's office to see if we can, if we need an appointment, or if we can just walk in and have them do the vehicle registration.
Inspection was real easy. It was kind of just like,
Do your blinkers work? Yeah.
put it in
Yeah.
the gears
Yeah.
and
Good enough. So yeah, we're gonna go see if we can do the registration right now if we have to make an appointment.
None of that kind of stuff. It's just
Never seen so many letters and numbers on a driver's license.
Isn't that crazy?
We only have 8 numbers, that's it.
Oh, I know.
Y'all are fixing to do that too, huh?
We're doing that next. Do we need to make an appointment for that? We do? Okay. Online.
Online.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
2 glitches on vehicle registration. Number 1, the insurance company put the wrong VIN number on our temporary insurance card.
Yep.
Which the guy at the inspection office did not catch.
Because he scanned the door.
Because he scanned the door. And the second is the guy at the inspection office put the wrong odometer reading because he read our tripometer, not the odometer, which is what they actually need for registering the vehicle here in the state. So back over to the inspection station we go to get that corrected, and then back here to get the license taken care of so we can put Texas plates on this baby. Hi.
Did I say something about your mileage?
Yeah, so I think what you did is you looked at our tripometer, not the odometer, and it's the wrong mileage, so we can't register it. Yep.
385.
Look, y'all, we got Texas plates. Woohoo! Okay, well that was a process.
We accomplished some things.
We did. It was easier than expected, even with the glitches. So
Changed our address.
Yep. Got our
Auto insurance.
auto insurance. Got inspection.
Went back to inspection.
Started the plate process. Went back to the inspection. Got that taken care of. Came back to the plates. We got our plates. Now we're gonna you're supposed to make an appointment at the driver's license office. We're gonna go and see if we can just walk in and do it.
They might actually be closed. I don't know.
I don't know, but we're gonna go see. Just
what's 3?
yeah.
Oh, that'll be it.
Yeah. So
I think it was 4 o'clock.
I don't know.
Oh, because
because the van clock is wrong.
Oh, we didn't change the clock in the van. So yeah, they might be open. So
Yeah,
we're gonna go see if we can do it.
see what we got to do anyway.
Yeah.
Let's go see.
More paperwork.
Yep. Driver's license application. I think we're sneaking in. We'll see how it goes.
Well, I just made appointments for both of us for like 3:45. It's in 15 minutes.
Let's see how we do. Wish us luck.
Well, we made it to the DMV to get our licenses. We've had our paperwork checked over several times. I think we got everything we need. Just wait for them to call our number. We'll see. What a process.
Yeah, thanks. But I mean,
All right, thank you.
That sheet right there has the information of your old license in case you ever need it.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
This is your receipt.
Okay.
This is your license. You'll look over it, sign right above my name if everything's correct.
Okay.
What's up with my left eye?
I don't know. Sherry almost failed.
My left eye was not cooperating.
She couldn't.
I'm tired.
She couldn't read the chart. What's that line say?
Sure, read that again. Okay, I got it.
Hey guys,
Hey,
we got
temporary.
we got temporary licenses for Texas. We got everything done we needed to do today to transfer over, boom, our residency, our domicile, everything.
That's crazy.
The only thing left we need to do is health insurance. I will do that on the phone.
And a couple other little things. We'll probably get a
Minimal things. Definitely want to go get a library card, stuff like that. But we got everything done. Wow, and it's only 4:30.
dang.
Sweet.
We need to celebrate
All right. Poor Bailey's been in the car all day.
all day.
All right. Well, we got a lot of
We did.
Zoom.
I think it's a small town.
No, that's awesome. All right, we're gonna go take Bailey for a long walk and let her stretch
This
her legs.
is an awesome place to do it because they are so familiar with what we're doing.
They are. They really are
They're
because
not like, what are you doing? Where's he?
because the escapees headquarters is right here. They're very familiar with people changing their
all
state.
day long.
So yep, it's not a big deal. So okay, woo! Get in the van and head back.
Bailey.
We're giving Bailey some AC. She's been a trooper today. She's been in the van all day. She's been a total trooper, haven't you?
We went on a mile walk this morning.
Yep. Good dog. Good dog. Yep. And got it done. Look at all the things done. Oh, I know. Long day. Well, all the running around we did today means we're just doing leftovers for dinner. This is that stir fry we had last night. There was a little bit left. We're going to throw some eggs in it, kind of scramble it up. I might do mine in a wrap. I don't know, but that's it. Quick and easy.
Try not to heat up the van too much.
Yeah, it's really hot. It was 80-something degrees today. What is it right here now? It's 80 degrees right now, right here, down below. So we gotta cool the van down.
As the van is
Yeah, the van's
warm from underneath.
yeah. So we're gonna heat up dinner quick, eat, and then leave everything open, let the fans run all over, and see if we can cool it down.
We could sit outside.
We could. Can we set it up?
I don't know, maybe.
I'll think about it. So yesterday we went through the whole process of setting up everything we need to do to change our domicile to Texas from Washington. Why did we do that? Well, we could not really keep our Washington state residency for a few reasons. First, mainly being mail forwarding.
Mail forwarding service, we need that.
It's an issue. We definitely need that. We've been lucky enough over the last couple of years. Jennifer and G, thank you guys very much. Let us use their P.O. box for mailing.
They've been our mail forwarding service.
They have. We thank you guys very, very much for that. That's been a great help. So that was the main number one reason. And number two is that we couldn't insure our van in Washington state easily. We live in our van.
We think we are reinventing the wheel with the conversion van.
Van life is a thing, and so living in our van, Washington state does not allow you to
travel and live in your van full time.
And insure it. You cannot insure a vehicle that you are living in full time. So
we didn't meet all their criteria.
So
it's very odd.
Yeah, so there's two reasons. We were able to get insurance, but it was jumping through many hoops, and it was a messy, muddy situation.
Yeah.
So those are two reasons. So in choosing a state of domicile, we had three options.
Most people choose, not most, but a lot of people choose South Dakota.
And that was top on our list, for sure.
The only problem there is if you have medical insurance through South Dakota and something happens in the wintertime, who wants to go to South Dakota in the wintertime?
Right, so whatever...
Yeah, major medical.
Whatever state your health insurance is through is where you need to go for major things. A friend of ours is going through some cancer treatments right now, and they are South Dakota residents, and they need to winter over in South Dakota.
I never realized how cold it actually gets in South Dakota.
We realized after speaking with them that it gets brutally cold in South Dakota. Luckily, they have family they can stay with while they're going through this medical stuff. We don't. So if anything happened in our future, whoops,
That would be laundry. We're also doing laundry today.
Getting some things done. So if anything happened in the future and we needed to be in our state of domicile for medical treatment, South Dakota wouldn't be a good option in the winter because we don't have anybody that we know there that we could stay with long term. So South Dakota, even though it was top on our list, we recently made the determination that we should rethink our options, which were Florida and Texas. Those are the other two states that make it very easy to get mail forwarding and transfer your life, basically, from one state to another, to domicile.
Florida has high car insurance.
They have very high auto insurance rates. So when we looked into it and did our research, although Florida was a good option, the county in Florida that is recommended to go through the whole process is just north of Tampa. We have our friend Suzanne is in Tampa, so we could have very easily done that, and it would have been a wonderful place to have a domicile, but auto insurance was very high. So we opted to not go for Florida. Texas, next on the list. They had very decent auto insurance rates.
Nevada was kind of on the list too, but we never really pursued it.
It was. But yeah, so of the three main states, we considered Texas won out because of the health insurance auto insurance costs were lower than Florida. I think South Dakota was the lowest, but the whole winter thing. But anyway, so Texas had decent auto insurance rates. The Escapees headquarters, the Escapees RV Club headquarters, is here in Livingston, Texas, which is where we are. Their mail forwarding is top notch. They've been doing this for decades, and
they've got it down.
So many travelers use the Escapees mail forwarding service, so it's an easy process to get into and work through. So that was another reason why we chose Texas. And in all honesty, Texas is kind of central to the areas we will be traveling through in the South. We will always be going through Texas for one thing or another.
Pretty much.
We're wintering down in the Arizona area. We have friends on the East Coast, Southeast Coast. So we will frequently be traveling through Texas. So that just made sense to us to use this as our state of domicile.
There you go.
So that's the why of it, and you saw the how of it from yesterday. Glad we got that all done. We are still waiting on health insurance. There was a little hiccup in that process that was our fault. We thought we had done all the research we needed to do, but we didn't. There were some things we hadn't. We
couldn't have done it if we hadn't have gotten here first.
Well, that's true. We couldn't have done it if we hadn't got here first. But there were some things that we weren't being crystal clear on.
Yeah.
Confirming. So anyway, the health insurance is in the process. So we will soon have health insurance through Texas, one way or another. But it's coming. So we are set up as Texas. I guess you can say residents.
Yep.
Now.
Yep.
Living in our van. And
I'm glad we did it here in Livingston, Texas, because everybody was just super nice. They were super knowledgeable on what's going on.
I think we mentioned before that because so many people do this here, they know exactly what.
Small town. They were so efficient and
very, very pleasant, helpful.
I've never been in a DMV driver's license plate where they were so nice and so
I know, fun
efficient
and fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was
the ones back where we live were not like that.
Well, even back in Hawaii too. I mean, it was. You know,
that's
good Lord, you don't want to go to the DMV.
No, it's never a place you want to go. It was actually.
Yeah, it was a very the whole process.
Very, very super efficient.
The whole process was very very easy. So, all right, well that's what we got. So, thanks for watching the video, guys. And if you are deciding on changing your state of domicile and starting a nomadic lifestyle as we are, I hope this helped you out a little bit. Texas, that's where we are.
That's it.
Yep. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would consider subscribing, we would love that as well. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.